This video is for people who are manufacturing increasingly miniaturized assemblies and facing thermal and or mechanical drop shock challenges. It will tell you about methods for improving the electrical, mechanical, and thermal reliability of electronic assemblies. Tim, I understand you presented a workshop at the IMAPS 2015 conference. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely. It was a workshop called Improving the Electrical, Mechanical, and Thermal Reliability of Electronics Assemblies. The intent of the workshop was to provide practical information to process engineers that they could use to directly impact the overall reliability of their electronics. This was not intended to be a workshop where it was detailed analysis of Weibull plots and things like that, but rather things that people can do within their process or material selection that can have an immediate impact on the overall reliability.
What are some of the changes in the industry that make this topic more important than ever?
Yeah, I think that here's a couple of examples of some consumer electronics that are used today, and what you can see is there's a lot of components on these smaller devices, and there's a lot more functionality in these devices than there were even just a couple of years ago. So the fact that the miniaturization to allow more functionality in these devices creates smaller solder joints. Those smaller solder joints are more susceptible to reliability damage. In addition, the processors on these boards are producing much more power because of the higher functionality. That means there's a higher requirement for heat dissipation. So thermal management is even more critical today than it's ever been before. And so because of these two challenges, the overall need to understand ways to improve the reliability of your assembly are more critical than they've ever been.
Very good. Tim, where can we find out more information on this topic?
Yeah, if you want to go to indium.com, we have a lot of technical information about both the electrical, mechanical, and the thermal reliability of electronics, as well as you can contact me directly at tjensen@indium.com, and I'm happy to discuss any of these topics in further detail.
Excellent. Tim, thank you very, very much.
Thank you.